ये दिल तेरी यादों से महकता ही रहेगा, तेरा था ये तेरा है, ये तेरा ही रहेगा. My dear friends, welcome to the next episode of Urdu Poetry Series, and today we are going to see this naat. It's not a ghazal, it's a naat. The difference between a ghazal and a naat is that a ghazal is addressed towards a woman, if a male is writing, a beloved, okay? But a naat is dedicated towards a religious master who is also like a beloved, but spiritual beloved, okay? And since mostly Muslim consider Prophet Muhammad to be that, so all naats are attributed to him, okay? But the reason I'm sharing with you is because it has three tenses in one line: past, present and future. So I thought it will be very good for your Urdu practice, okay? So the one I sang is ये दिल तेरी यादों से महकता ही रहेगा. This heart will keep fragrant with your memories forever. Is talking about the future रहेगा. तेरा था, it was yours. तेरा है, it is yours. तेरा ही रहेगा, it will stay yours. It will always remain yours. Okay? My heart will always be fragrant with your memories. It was yours, I was yours, I am yours, I will always be yours. Okay? क्या लुत्फ़ हो सरकार मुझे हश्र में कह दें. What a enjoyable, how enjoyable that would be if Sarkar, my master, would say me on the day of judgment, मेरा था, ये मेरा है, ये मेरा ही रहेगा. He was mine, he was my disciple, he is my disciple, he will always be my disciple. Okay? And if it is even referred to a beloved, it's quite the same. I wish my beloved always say, yes, he was my lover, he is my lover, he'll always be my lover. Okay? जब तक न हुजूर आपको देखेंगे तो ये दिल प्यासा था, ये प्यासा है, ये प्यासा ही रहेगा. Oh master, हुजूर is another word for sarkar, master. Unless I see you, till that time my heart will be, my heart was thirsty. प्यासा था, ये प्यासा है, it is thirsty, प्यासा ही रहेगा, and it always will be thirsty. Okay? Or, oh my beloved, unless I see you again, my heart was thirsty, is thirsty, will always be thirsty. Okay? जब तक, लास्ट वर्स, जब तक न मिलेगी तेरी खैरात ये दामन, until your blessed generosity reaches me, this outstretched robe, फैला था, ये फैला है, ये फैला ही रहेगा. It was spread, is spread, and will remain spread. What? Daman. Khairat is generosity, charity. And daman is actually, have you seen a Pakistani or Indian shalwar kameez? Actually there is a kite flying and it has stuck, so I am afraid it might come down here. Anyways, so khairat is charity, and daman is, have you ever seen a Pakistani shalwar kameez? So the kameez, unlike this shirt, is just one piece, right? But a kameez has a front and a back. So that front, you can, the beggars often lift it up and they say, please put some charity in it, some khairat in it. So it is referring to that. Oh my master, unless you give me your donation, meaning your love, your affection, your attention, I will always be begging for it. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed it. So we saw three tenses in one line and repeated: past, present, future. फैला था, फैला है, फैला ही रहेगा। मुनीब वीडियोस बनाता था, बना रहा है, बनाता है, बनाता रहेगा। Muneeb would make videos in the past, is making a video, and will keep making a video. He has made numerous videos, right, standing right here. But his heart is not full yet. He still wants to make more, and he will keep making more. In the morning, in the sunset, both times are beautiful. So thank you so much. See you in the next video, hopefully very soon. Allah Hafiz. फैला था ये फैला है, ये फैला ही रहेगा।